Hi, I'm doing a video today about some of the side effects of a medicine that I've gotten from the doctor. The reason I'm doing it is because I didn't find many videos on YouTube where actual people were talking about the side effects that they themselves experienced when taking this medicine. I saw lots of videos from doctors explaining the side effects that could happen and the precautions and the things that you need to do. But from real people who've been taking it, I haven't seen a lot. So I decided to do a video about that, and I did one just a few minutes ago in German for all my German friends. I'm taking something that's called Imuran or azathioprine, and I'm going to spell that. That's Azathioprine. The brand name is Imuran, and it's an immune suppressive medicine. It's given to people after they have organ transplants, so that their body does not reject organs. It's also given to people with autoimmune diseases such as lupus, like I have, or morbus Crohn, or rheumatoid arthritis. What it does is suppress the immune system. It used to be used often to treat cancer. It's an oral form of chemotherapy, they say. It's a cytotoxin, which is a toxic medication that suppresses your immune system. Why would you want to suppress your immune system if you're sick? Well, when you have an autoimmune disease, your immune system fights against your own body, and the idea is to push it down so that your disease will become less active, and then the symptoms will go away, like the joint swelling, the pain, the inflammation. And it has a pretty good track record. It works. I've even noticed in the 5 weeks I'm taking it, I have much more movement in my hands and my joints than I did before, and the pain I had around my back and side is gone. Um, I also want to say that, of course, there's side effects, and that's what I want to talk about. The side effects that I experienced started in the second and third weeks that I was taking the medication. And at first, it was, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and the usual things you would expect when taking this kind of medicine. And then my hair started to fall out. I got massive hair loss on the top of my head in circles. It's still going on. It hasn't stopped. Got a little bit of regrowth, but that comes out too. I also feel tired. I'm always tired anyway because I have lupus, but now I'm like really tired. I need to lay down, take a nap in the middle of the day, and do these kinds of things. I also have wounds, like pimple, like rash that's come out on my face and stuff that's not healing. Usually they go away within a few days. They're just there. Um, I do have to go and get my blood tested every 2 weeks to make sure that it's not attacking my liver because I do have liver problems due to my lupus. And I have to check the white blood cell count to make sure it's all right and up, all in the up and up. So far I've gotten my blood taken and everything's been okay. My liver levels are high, but they were high before I started taking this medicine. Um, the side effects also include feeling like you have the flu. I feel like I have the stomach flu. It's horrible. But some days I feel better and some days I feel worse. I'm hoping that this medicine works like they say it will. They told me to stay away from people who have colds because you can get an infection, because your immune system is suppressed. And I'm going to do that. I'm following the doctor's advice. I'm staying away from crowds. It's going to be Christmas time. I don't know how I'm going to avoid crowds at Christmas time, but I'm going to do it. Maybe I'll just sit myself under the Christmas tree and not do a damn thing. Those are some of my side effects. Each person reacts to each medicine differently. And if you have questions about your medicine, I really, really encourage you. Talk to your doctor. Tell them because they may be able to give you something for your side effects. I'm not allowed to take any more things, any pills formed against nausea because my liver's messed up. But I do drink herbal tea made out of sweet root, chamomile, and mint, and that seems to help me a lot. It's really important to drink a lot of water when you're taking medicine, especially if it makes you sick to your stomach. And that's my advice and my experience with this azathioprine. And I'll be talking about it and letting you guys know how things are going on in the future. Thanks for listening.